Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Blitz. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a torn paper to your design. So as you can see, I have this design here, very nice one. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'll go in for the paper. First of all, you need to make sure you download the paper from online. So you can just Google torn paper, okay? Then you download it. So you can add torn paper PNG. Then you download it. Then you will bring it here. So I have this torn paper here. So this is my torn paper, okay? This is my torn paper. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to drag this torn paper here to my design, okay? So I'll just drag the whole of this one. Then I'll bring it here, okay? So as you can see, this is my torn paper. I'll place it on the design like this. Very good. So as you can see, the colors here are very matching. We have black here, we have black here, so they are matching. If the colors are not matching, you should make sure you change that one as well. Okay. So after you have imported your torn paper, what you need to do is just do this simple thing. Go to your blend mode, then change it to any of this blend mode. Okay, darken, multiply, color band, linear band, and darker color. But let's see the difference between this blend mode. You see, darken, multiply. Check this side. Look at how it is going to show up. Okay, you see the color band here is too white. Okay, so we don't like that one. Look at this one, multiply. Okay, we have multiply here. Then we have darken here. So I'll go in for either multiply, okay, or darken. So I'll choose multiply. Then you can see. So look at before and then after. So this is a very simple way you can add a torn paper to your design. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. Makramuina.